Welcome to English Stories and Skills, where every story helps you learn listening, speaking, and psychological facts.
Once upon a time, there was a man who people called the world's greatest mind reader. But guess what? He could not really read minds. He could read people. He said, "I have no magic. I'm not a psychic. I just spent many years learning how people think." He believed that if you understand how people think, you can know what they think. One day, he stood on a big stage in front of many people. He smiled and asked everyone, "If you could have dinner with a famous person, who would it be? Someone alive or dead, anyone you want." The people closed their eyes and thought. Then he looked at them, their faces, their eyes, their hands, and guessed what kind of person they had in mind. Some were alive, some were from history. Everyone laughed and clapped. It looked like real mind reading, but it was not. It was the power of watching and understanding people. After the fun part, he shared a life lesson. He said, "I will teach you a superpower, how to never forget someone's name." He told the audience, "Just remember 3 words: listen, repeat, reply." When you meet someone new, first, listen carefully when they say their name. Second, repeat it. "Hi, Ashley. Nice to meet you, Ashley." Third, reply with a small comment, like, "Ashley, I like your earrings," or "Ashley, how do you spell that?" This simple trick helps your brain keep the name forever. At the end of the show, he called 2 people on stage. One person thought of a famous name, the other tried to guess it, and said, "Barack Obama." The first person showed his paper. It said the same name. The crowd shouted and cheered. Then the man said something beautiful. "Yes, there is risk. I can fail, but I always believe it will work." His message was clear. Believe in yourself. You don't need magic to connect with people. You just need to listen, repeat, reply, and believe. Thank you for watching. If you like this story, please like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring lessons.